In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify Favicon. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in your browser tab next to your store name, in bookmarks, and sometimes in search results. It's a small detail that makes your brand look polished and easy to recognize. Before we start, make sure you have a square image ready, ideally 32 by 32 pixels or 48 by 48 pixels in PNG format, with a transparent background. Simple shapes and high contrast work best at this tiny size. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and open Online Store under your sales channels. This will take you to the area where your themes and storefront settings live. Next, click Themes. You'll see your current live theme at the top. Find your active theme and open it. Depending on your interface, the button may read Edit or Customize. Either way, you want to open the theme editor where you can adjust visual settings without touching code. Inside the theme editor, go to Theme Settings. You'll usually find this in the lower left corner. Theme settings control global elements like colors, typography, logos, and in many themes, the favicon. Open the logo section. In many Shopify themes, the favicon option is grouped here. If your theme shows a dedicated favicon area inside theme settings, that's fine too, the goal is the same. Locate the favicon image setting and select change. Now, upload your favicon file. You can drag and drop your image or choose it from your existing media library if you've uploaded it before. Aim for a small, square, crisp image. PNG is a great choice because it supports transparency, which helps your icon look clean against different backgrounds. Keep the file size modest so it loads quickly. Once your favicon is in place, click Save. This is important. Your changes won't go live until you save them. After saving, preview your store in a new browser tab. If you don't see the new favicon right away, do a hard refresh, clear your browser cache, or open your site in a private or incognito window. Some browsers also take a few minutes to update favicons, so a brief delay can be normal. That's it, you've updated your Shopify favicon using the theme editor, giving your store a professional touch that carries across every tab and bookmark. If you ever redesign your logo or adjust your brand colors, revisit the same place to keep your favicon consistent. Thanks for watching and enjoy the cleaner, more branded look for your store.